The youth program for peace of the AFP 701st Brigade based in Davao Oriental is yielding positive results. The full story from Angel Dulliera.
Initiative of the 701st Brigade of Davao Oriental is to create a new breed of youth that has a strong sense of leadership in their own ways. That's why the Youth for Peace has been formed. This year, the members of the Youth for Peace has become even more productive. With the leadership of their YFP President Jeter Monday and the assistance of Colonel Benjamin Madrigal Jr., a big event has been realized.
We did not sleep for 2 months almost, just for this preparation to be well done.
One of the most important activity of the YFP is the search for the Lakambini ng Kapayapaan 2014 that was held in Mati National Comprehensive High School. The girl contestants who have been crowned will represent the YFP movement and will be good examples of the youth.
I'm planning to continue my advocacy promoting peace, beginning on the youth. At sana po, inikayat ko po yung mga kabataan dyan na sana makisali po kayo sa aming advokasya na mag-promote po ng peace. Yun lang po. Thank you.
My plans are to promote the peace and unity in our community and to encourage all the youth of today's generation to support the different programs and the different programs of the government which will help to develop our community and as well as our society.
On the following day, the sports competition was held to teach the importance of teamwork. Activities of the YFP were a total success, and if you haven't known the persons behind the success, you wouldn't know that it was out of the collaborative efforts of the Youth for Peace. This is the type of young generations that the AFP is molding. It is to keep the youth away from bad vices and to make them productive members of society.
Actually, our role here is to help in youth development kasi kasama to sa ating Peace and Development Outreach Program. Ang ano natin dito, nakikita kasi natin, malaki talaga ang role ng youth para sa katahimikan at sa development ng ating communities.
For People's Television, Angel Pizarro Dulliera.